Ways of speaking.
Talk.
Talk.
To speak to give information. Whisper.
Whisper.
To speak very softly in hopes that not many people hear.
Whine.
Whine.
To complain in a sad and annoying voice about something. Scream.
Scream.
To cry out very loudly on a high note. Can be in anger, fear.
Chat.
Chat.
To have a friendly and informal conversation.
Shout.
Shout.
To speak in a loud voice to get someone's attention.
Speak.
Speak.
To talk or use words in a normal voice tone and volume.
Bark.
Bark.
To say something quickly, loudly, and in a harsh or angry tone.
Yell.
Yell.
To speak very loudly at another person or group.
Brag.
Brag.
To talk proudly about yourself or your achievement.
Lecture.
Lecture.
To speak in a serious way, often giving advice or correction.
Rant.
Rant.
To speak angrily and at length about something. Interrupt.
Interrupt.
To speak while someone else is talking. Mumble.
Mumble.
To speak in a way that's hard to hear or understand. Stammer.
Stammer.
To speak with pauses or repeated sounds, usually from nervousness. Body sounds. Sneeze.
Sneeze.
Yawn.
Yawn.
Sing.
Sing.
Whistle.
Whistle.
Sniff.
Sniff.
Snore.
Snore.
Wheeze.
Wheeze.
Shout.
Shout.
Hiccup.
Hiccup.
cough,
cough,
laugh,
laugh,
moan,
moan,
whisper,
whisper,
gulp,
gulp,
tongue click,
tongue click,
burp,
burp,